friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the unique kind of test on the Poco X3 device. As you can see here, friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3, and which is using this 7 LED USB flashlight. I'll be trying to connect to the Poco X3 device at same time using this USB Type-C adapter. So I know no one will be using this kind of method in the real life situation, but still I just want to try in the Poco X3 device whether the phone can actually power 7 USB flashlights at same time or not. So let's see, friends. So I'll be doing this kind of very good unique different test as well in my channel. So for more interesting videos, so try to check the playlist of the Poco X3. So you can find so many interesting videos on the Poco X3. So using this USB port, you can do so many things, connecting the wireless keyboard and mouse. I did a video on that one, connecting the charging and pen drive at same time. That is another video. So let's see, friends, in this video whether you can power the 7 flashlights at same time or not. So right now the USB port has been connected. You can see the charging monitor as well, so which is a widget which I am using currently. So you can see the decreasing as well, how much it is decreasing. So right now there are 7 switches here, as you can see here, friends, 7 switches, so which I'll be turning on one by one. So you can take a note at the decreasing of the milliamperes gradually. You can see here. So right now you can see I connected to the Type-C port. So you can observe, friends, it's close to 400 milliamperes and 390 milliamperes. So now let me try to turn on one by one USB flashlight. As you can see, the first USB flashlight is turned on. So let's see how much the battery will be decreasing. As you can see, it started to increase above 400 milliamperes, 450 milliamperes, and now the second flashlight, let me turn on, and the second one is also on, and 470 and 500 milliamperes. And now let me try to turn on the third one. It is a third flashlight which is turned on. So now let me try to decrease the studio lighting effect so you can understand a little bit of this effects as well, USB light effects. So as you can see, so now let me try to turn on the fourth one. The fourth USB light has been turned on. And now let me try to turn on the fifth one, 720 milliamperes, as you can see, friends, fifth one. And next, sixth USB flashlight, as you can see, friends, sixth USB flashlight, and finally seventh one. Let me power the seventh one as well. And here all the 7 flashlight has been turned on continuously. As you can see, they are working pretty fine without any blinking issues as well. Everything is glowing good. So I don't recommend doing this kind of thing continuously for long hours. So definitely, maybe for short time usage, you can use one USB flashlight, maybe under emergency situations if you want to use. So mostly I won't use a flashlight for long time, so because it might affect the battery life of this flashlight as well, durability. So that's why I prefer to use this USB port flashlight, so which is very easy and convenient. So whenever you want, you can straight away use connecting like this, as you can see, friends, which is very good and convenient as well. So finally, friends, you can actually use this kind of setup in your everyday life if you wish for. So it is a flash normal as you can see, fan as well, USB fan. Even you can use this kind of USB fan. As you can see, friends, you can use 2 USB fans at same time if you want. So that is another good advantage using this kind of USB up port, as you can see here. So for more interesting videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.